going to try to walk the dog between rain bands. This is 8 a.m. on Wednesday morning. We are projected to have 155 mile an hour winds at landfall about 2 p.m. That's gonna suck. I'm just gonna come out here. It's probably about maybe 30 mile an hour winds, gusting a little bit more. Heavy rain bands coming in. Moved all the cars out of the driveway. Whew. Yeah, it's getting breezy. Come on, buddy. Let's try to go to the bathroom. Sorry. We're starting to get minor flooding, but this is nothing. We're just starting to getting ramped up, as they say on the Weather Channel. Everything's boarded up. It's breezy and chilly. It's actually some cold. Well, to me, it's cold wind coming in. But we're probably getting 30 mile an hour gusts. But this is going to get really bad before too long. And unfortunately, there are a lot of construction sites around here, a lot of houses under construction, and I'm afraid all the crap from the dumpsters is going to come flying down the road. So, anyway, this is all that's going on for now. You can see what the palm trees look like. I trimmed the palm trees last night to try to minimize a little bit of the damage, like if they're beating on the house or something. But see what we've got going on here. The tree frogs are going crazy. Normally you don't really hear them, and they're just tree frogging away. Alright, well, this is the 8 a.m. update. Let me bring the dog in. Let's see if there's any damage around back too while we're here. Come on, buddy. Come on. I know, sorry. Sucks out. Hopefully the boat stays okay. Come on, hurry up. Go to the bathroom. I have a vacant lot next to me, so hopefully we won't get any damage there. Good boy. The dog's finally going to the bathroom. He's not dumb. And still have power for now. It's flickered a few times, but we're prepared when the power goes out. Just don't know when it's going to happen. Okay, come on, let's go inside, buddy. Come on. Whew. All right, well, I'll give you an update again in a couple hours, but just getting started here. Let's see here. Hopefully my ham radio tower stays up. Okay, let me drive the dog off. Come on, let's go inside and get out of this mess. Whew. All right, I'll check back in a few hours.